Okay guys, I've been checking out this particular setup for Crash 1000 for long. Okay, it's all started, it started this downtrend yesterday night, and of course it went all through the night, so we milked the market, crashing down um all through this downtrend till it got to this particular region. Okay, actually I expected it to come to an end somewhere here after breaking out from this particular support zone. I expected the trend to come to an end at this particular point after breaking out from this support zone. It broke out from here, got to this region because this happened to be the next support zone, and it still broke out from there, and so till it got to this particular region. You can see I highlighted this region, so if it's going to break out from here, then definitely I expect it to get to this particular spot. But if it does not, then we should start out an uptrend from there. I want to make sure I go ahead with the uptrend right from this particular section, and this has been amazing. You can imagine trading all through the night with this particular structure, and of course trading the spiky part of crash right from the resistance zone. That is why I always tell you to target the resistance zone if you are to trade the spiky part and crash. Okay, so you will start right from the beginning of the trend that way, and of course down till the very end. Okay, that is how amazing it is. You can imagine getting our downtrend signal at the resistance zone around here, and we came in around here, and of course trading the asset all through the night till it got to this particular spot. Okay, so that's amazing guys, that's amazing. And right now we are getting ready for the other part of the trend, for a change in the trend, which happened to be which will be going on a uptrend right from here, and of course that is what we expecting any moment from now. Okay, but if it breaks out below the support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more, but we are waiting for the uptrend signal at this point. Okay, once we get the uptrend signal and we get the buy signal, then it is the best time for us to jump into the market. Okay, the reason is this has oversold already, and of course it is at major support zone. So if it is not breaking out from this support zone, then definitely it will change the direction of the trend at this point. And if it change the direction of the trend, we expect it to get to this region easily. Okay, so it should buy from here to this particular spot easily. So that is what we are looking out for. Okay, and of course guys, even if it's going to have any major pullback, it should be around here. And of course if it does not, if it breaks out from here, then we expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, to this particular spot. Okay, so which is another area for us to take our TP. Okay, so this is very, very important. And the last part is when it gets to this point, and that is after breaking out from here. But before we can follow up with that trading with that analysis, it needs to change the direction of the market right from here. That means it didn't break out below this support zone, and it must have given us the uptrend signal, and of course the buy signal right from here. So this is as easy as this. If you are having this same setup, kindly follow up with it and make sure you milk the market today. Okay, so this is very, very important, and do not forget to share your results with me at the end of the day. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.